Hey, what's happening, my collie friends out there? Paul here. Today we're going to do a little knife training for about 5 minutes. So grab a training knife and move around with me. We've got 5 drills, each drill for 1 minute. Gonna go ahead and get my timer going, and we're beginning with some basic thrusts. We got the center line thrust, the backhand thrust, and the forehand thrust, finishing up with that recovery slash. This is the first thrusting form that we teach inside the Collie Center Skool over on our new Skool app platform. It's a pretty cool program if you want to check it out. So just start off nice and slow, using this round as a warm-up, especially if these movements are brand new to you. And if you want a full detailed breakdown of all the drills that we're doing today, then I highly advise go check out Collie Center Skool. I got a link down below. Alrighty, that's round 1 in the books. Hope that you're feeling more warmed up. For round 2, we're going to be moving into some slashes, some basic slashes, the 1-2 diagonal and the vertical number 3. So as far as the footwork goes for today, we're not doing anything too specific, but just try moving where you're turning around and doing the drills facing in all different directions. If you're following along with me, doing the training with me, let me know down in the comments, where are you training from? What state? What country? It is always really cool to hear from you guys, all the different places that we can train together from nowadays. Pretty cool. Inside Collie Center Skool, I've got a whole bunch of on-demand video lessons ready to go in the classrooms. Each area of Collie is broken up into its own section within the new school. I'm also doing all the academics, so I'm putting all of that extra stuff in there. All right, take 10 seconds and let's get ready for round number 3. Alrighty, for round number 3, we're working on the knife jab from the hand roll position and working it at all the different elevations, low, middle, and high. The knife jab is the fastest strike on the knife. And yeah, a lot of people get confused by this one. They don't always understand it, but that's probably also because they haven't done it before, and a lot of people haven't even seen it before. Gotta train, man. Gotta do the training. This is a great one to integrate the takeoff footwork. The knife jab is nice and simple, so it allows you to explore more of the footwork methods that we use in Collie. So you'll see the triangles, you'll see broken footwork, takeoff, largo, wave in, wave out, all the good juicy stuff. Alrighty, let's take those 10 seconds to catch our breath. We're going to move into the Pikal grip for this next drill. Alrighty, this drill is thrust, hook, and slash. And we're going to do this on the 3 primary thrusts on the reverse grip. On the angle 1, thrust, hook, slash. On the angle 2, thrust, hook, slash. And then on the angle 3, thrust, hook, and then slash back up. Inside Collie Center Skool, I host multiple live stream classes every single month, and they also get recorded so that all our students get to see the playbacks anytime they want, as many times that they want, which is a pretty cool thing because we can go deeper into the drills that are inside of the classrooms, and then you can get that direct feedback from me, from your coach. And yeah, we do a lot of stuff in the live stream classes that you don't see, that you definitely won't see or hear on YouTube, that you don't see in the regular classes. So we can start really bringing different elements of Collie together. Alrighty, we got one more drill to complete today's workout. Alrighty, this last drill is Carenza. It's just free flowing with the weapon. So we're going to put everything that we worked on today and anything in the past, and we're going to flow it all together. This is where you get to explore, find your own style, and have fun experimenting. So check out Kali Center Skool if you want to dive deeper into your Kali training. If you want me as your Kali coach, we'd all love to have you in the community. We've got people training with us there from all around the world. And it's just $15 to join, 15 bucks a month. And you get access to a lot of training. Plus, you can direct message me your questions, some training video clips for feedback. So it's not just an on-demand video library. You get actual guidance, actual coaching. All right, that completes the last round. That was a lot of fun. I hope you had fun moving around, getting some training in with me. That's all it really takes, just 5, 10, 15 minutes a day of some solid training, moving around. Look at that cool little knife flip there. Go ahead and hit the like button if you enjoy these follow along training sessions. Subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. And yeah, go check out Kali Center Skool. Got the link down below. Maybe we'll catch you on in there. Later.